Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel Priyanka's IT School. Today I am sharing 4 tutorial on software testing, that is fundamentals of software testing part 1. In this tutorial, let's discuss some fundamental aspect of software testing. Very first, what is software testing? Today's world of technology is completely dominated by machines and their behavior is controlled by software powering it. So software should work as per user, as per client expectation, and solution is software testing. Software testing is process of checking correctness, completeness, security and quality of developed software. You can also define testing is a process of evaluating the functionality of software application to find defects or bug from the software. Here I have mentioned a software testing definition as per ISTQB. Now ISTQB is International Software Testing Qualification Board. This is software testing certification. So software testing is a way to assess the quality of software and to reduce the risk of software failure in operation. In a simple term, we can also define software testing is process of identifying defects or bug from the software. But here few terms we should know. Error, fault and failure. What is meant by error, fault and failure? The common meaning of these three terms is problem, any problem, right? But these three terms use in different environment, so the treated differently. See, error. Error is any incorrect human action that produces problem in the system or software. In development environment, developer refers any kind of problem as a error. Example, syntax error, any functionality related error, any behavior related error, right? Then second is a fault. Fault is manifestation of error into the software. Okay, so fault also referred as defect or bug. So here fault is also referred as defect or bug. What is defect? Defect is difference between expected and actual result. In testing environment, we generally called faulty software as a defect or bug, or fault, any kind of fault we generally call as a defect or bug. Now, what is mean by failure? Deviation of software from its expected delivery or service is referred as failure. So, this is identified by the end user, okay, while using that software. So, in additional, failure caused due to the defects in the code. So, we can say fault may cause failure, okay, and failure also caused by environmental condition. So, here these are the technical definitions for error, fault and failure. So any human action that produces incorrect result is a error. Manifestation of error into the software is fault, and deviation of software from its expected delivery or service, that is failure. Now, objective of testing is to prevent defect in software application and release quality application, quality product to the client. Now let's understand what is exactly meaning of this quality. See, in IT, every IT project is client requirement. An IT organization is responsible to develop and test quality product, okay, or test any kind of product which meets software or we can say client expectation. So can I say client is the king? Quality means consistently meeting client need in terms of requirement, in terms of delivery schedule, that is application should be delivered or developed in time, okay, then cost and treating every customer with proper manner. So we can define here quality means consistently meeting client need in terms of requirements, delivery schedule, cost and service offered to the client. Once the quality is increased, it can directly lead to increase in productivity. In software quality, we can say software quality include activities related to both process and the product. Here, two terms we need to understand. Very first, process, and second term is product. So we are already aware with the product, right? What is exactly process? See, whenever we need to develop any software application, whenever we need to test any software application, then at that time we need to follow some kind of standards, some kind of procedures, some steps, right? Or some phases, and that is all about the process. What is meant by product? Product is software application which fulfill multiple client need or which fulfill market need. So software quality include activities related to both process and the product, and those activities we generally called as QA and QC. Okay, so here two terms we should know. What is mean by quality assurance? QA is all about quality assurance, and QC, it is all about quality control. Now here, let's see what is difference between quality assurance and quality control. See guys, people often use phrase quality assurance as a just QA to refer testing. But let me tell you, testing and quality assurance are not same, but they are related by larger concept of quality management system. So here, very first, we should know what is meant by this quality management system. Quality managements are group of, I can say, a series of coordinated activities to direct and control an organization with regards to quality. Okay, so can I say is a larger system used in organization with a single goal, just to achieve quality. Now let's talk about quality assurance. What is quality assurance? So see, quality assurance is a part of quality management system, right, which focus on providing confidence that quality requirements will be fulfilled. So can I say quality assurance is process oriented, right? And quality assurance is applicable to entire software development life cycle, because quality assurance always talks about process which helps to building quality product. Okay, in terms of defect we can also refer quality assurance is a defect prevention activity. So we can verify process before developing that software application. Okay, hence quality assurance is also referred as verification, which state that are we building product right, or are we doing job right? So quality assurance is all about process, related to process. Okay, next is quality control. Next important category, we can say software quality, which is categorized into two important, part, that is quality assurance and quality control, which is a process related. So quality assurance is a process related, and now we have quality control. So quality control is actually a testing activity. Quality control is operational techniques, and we can say activities and part of quality management that are focused on fulfilling we can say quality requirements. Quality control always talks about product testing activities. So quality control is a product oriented. In terms of defect, quality control is defect detection and correction activity. So in quality assurance we have seen this is defect prevention activity, but quality control is all about defect detection and correction activity. QC done, quality control is done after the product is built, which helps to improve process. Okay, so QA done throughout the life cycle, but QC done after the product is built. In quality control, can I say tester validate the product to defect detection and correction activity. Hence, QC is also referred as validation. Can I say guys, QA referred as verification, because here we are responsible to verify entire process, but QC, which is we can say product oriented and which validates software application, right? So validation which state are we building right product, or are we doing right job? So basic difference between QA and QC is all about that QA is a process oriented, QC is a product oriented. QA, we can say it is in terms of defect, we can simply say that QA is all about defect prevention activity, and QC is all about defect detection and correction activity. QA also referred as verification, QC also referred as validation, right? Now, so here let's see main intention is to find the defect from the application, right? So what we can say, we can define software testing with some another definition, that software testing is a complete process of verifying and validating software product with the same intention, finding defect from the application. Now, let's see what is importance. Importance of software testing. Why we need to test any software application. Most people had an experience with software that software did not work as expected. So software, we can say, that does not work correctly can lead to many problems, right? Including loss of money, including, let's say, loss of time or business reputation, or even injury or death. So testing software before it releasing to client, right, releasing to the client, is important. So let's see some real, we can say, failure software failure example. So here first one is Amazon AWS outage. Amazon Web Services experienced a serious outage in eastern coast of the US in 2007, we can say 17, which was due to the major technical difficulties causing many popular website outage such as Netflix, Business Insider, Nest, we can say Nestrello, yeah, etc. So next one is Google Plus security glitch. A vulnerability in Google Plus exposed the private information of nearly 5 lakh people using social network between 2015 and March 2018. Third one is Facebook. Facebook user data leak problem. In Facebook, hacker exploited vulnerabilities in the system that allow them to access possibly to 50 million accounts in the year of 2018. Now, the last here I have mentioned, that is all about data loss at GitLab. 2 years ago, a well-known code collaboration platform GitLab experienced a server data loss, which appeared to be one of the major outage in IT world. So these are some examples, guys, which serve as a reminder of importance of IT, that is quality assurance of any type of software. Hence hence testing is a crucial part of software development and business process. So we can say the complexity of the modern system so great, so that is usually nearly impossible to perform one particular test and guarantee to perfect result, right? So manual plus automation testing both are important, because software testing is categorized into two important part, right? Manual testing and automation testing, and these both manual and automation are important to bring a great product, great software application to the market. And this shows importance of software testing, right? So that's all for this video. Please do subscribe and like my video. Thanks for watching.